of Isheshe, Chief Adebayo Adeola, the representative of the police, the representative of the DPO here, that is the police. Very happy. It's my present on behalf of Meti Allah Kota. For decades, the deep-rooted what began as a seasonal pension over land and water used in the context of dimensional challenges, threatening national unity, security, and rural development. The conflict is no longer just about access to factual land. It's now insecurity, politics, ethno-religious tension, economic marginalization. Addressing these issues is not just a matter of restoring order, it is a matter of redefining equity and peaceful coexistence. Understanding the root cause of farmer activity, the whole can be traced back to colonial era land facilitated between farmers and the conversion of grazing land to